Once a company fits a certain criteria that you mentioned, the broader four criterias, how do you really go about selecting a company from the Super 70? How do you find this needle in a haystack while you've shortlisted out of the BSE 500 these 70 companies? But how does really Alder look at these 70 companies? When can a certain company become a portfolio company?
It's a lot of hard work. Like I said, when we started off, we were equity research analysts. Our passion is to learn businesses. That's what we do for a living. And in that passion to learn businesses, it is a lot of hard work. We have 7 modules that we run within the team. Each one of these modules cover different aspect of what we need to learn about before we buy a business. So these 7 modules will range from industry analysis, management analysis, business analysis, then figuring out the risk factors. Then there's a study which we call as on the ground, where we need to really go out and meet ex-employees, consultants, maybe competitors, distributors, customers, to get surveys out to understand whether what we are thinking really works in the real world. Right? And then we do a financial analysis, and the last part of it we do is valuations. Right? We don't revolve our business buy and sell decisions necessarily on valuations. It is something that we want to check in the end, but what we try to focus on is, does it tick all these boxes? If a business ticks all these boxes, and there are very tough questions which are very difficult to answer because these are questions which are never asked before, or the accessibility is poor. Like in case of P&G Health and Hygiene is a business that we own. The management meets investors only once a year at the AGM. Now, if you want to learn about the business, how do you go about learning about the business? The annual report doesn't talk much. There is no publicly available information. A few brokerages actually track it. So it's a lot of hard work to get down and learn, right? And knowledge is available everywhere, right? You just have to seek it. So it's difficult. It might take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Sometimes we track a company for many years and then we say, we love this company, but we want to wait and we want to see what they do before we buy it. So yes, once we clear these processes and we understand how strong this business is, that's when we decide to buy.
It's essentially a funnel that takes BSE 500 to the Super 70, and these Super 70 again have to pass a rigorous check of 7 different modules and eventually fall into Alder's portfolio.